All right, today we're gonna bring two very elegant, beautiful lights for your either your island or your kitchen, and these could be extended really long, so for high ceilings, or you can short it up. So we are gonna put two poles, and right now, if you guys can see, this is all glass. This is beautiful glass. There's bubbles in every glass to make it look like a sparkling area, or maybe stars all around, pretty much. Because look at the inside of the actual glass. It reminds me of the old Coca-Cola bottles. That's how they were before. They have these extenders. You could take the tips off if you want. And the top of it is very flexible. Now the extra string they give you, it's really long. It's actually the electrical part of it. It comes with either hot or neutral. That's what you get, right? And then of course they give you inside the actual top. They're going to give you the ground. Now be careful. These are, like I said, these are glass. And if you don't want to touch them, they give you gloves, they give you instructions, and they give you a pair. All right, so right now we're just going to set one up so you guys can see how it looks. All right, we set it up. Look how beautiful it looks. Really high for high ceilings. You could set up to 60 watts of a light bulb maximum. So this is beautiful for those kitchens, those entrances, those islands that you have. Beautiful decor all around. The light bulb I have is a soft 40, so it's not too bright. It's real nice, beautiful light. But if you want to add your different tones of light, you can, as long as you have 60 watts maximum. Beautiful, elegant, stylish light. Glass on the top, glass on the bottom. Hope you guys enjoy the video.